This evening, it just gets worse. The death toll now worse than China, 427 deaths in just the past 24 hours. And the infections have not slowed down yet.
Across the world, the coronavirus pandemic has now killed more than 10,000 people.
Around the world, there are now more than 100,000 cases.
The world has reached a grim milestone. According to the Johns Hopkins University in the U.S., the coronavirus pandemic has now claimed more than 10,000 lives across the world.
The whole world is experiencing the crisis of a new virus called coronavirus. It is a common virus that infects humans, leading to upper respiratory infection. Doctors said that the COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes, touching an object or surface contaminated with the virus, and rarely by fecal contamination. So it's important that you also practice respiratory etiquette, for example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. The number of cases increases every hour in different countries. Some declared a total lockdown over the country and practice social distancing, but we should not panic and worry. There are ways on how to prevent on getting the virus and proper ways to handle this outbreak.
In order to protect yourself from the virus, here is what you need to do. Number 1. Do wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Number 2. Do cover your nose and mouth when you cough or sneeze. Number 3. Do wear mask if needed to go outside. Number 4. Do avoid contact 1 meter or 3 feet with people who are unwell. Number 5. Do stay home and self-isolate from others in the household if you feel unwell. Number 6. Do make sure your house is clean as well. Number 7. Do eat healthy foods to have a strong immune system.
Don'ts. Number 1. Don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth if your hands are not clean. 2. Don't leave your house if not necessary. 3. Don't believe misinformation news about coronavirus outbreak. 4. Don't hesitate to have a checkup if you feel unwell. People may be sick with the virus for 1 to 14 days before developing symptoms. The most common of COVID-19 are fever, tiredness, and dry cough. Most people, 80% of them, recover from the disease without needing special treatment. More rarely, the disease can be serious and even fatal. Older people and people with medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes, and heart disease can be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill.
Self-care. If you have mild symptoms, stay at home until you have recovered. You can relieve your symptoms if you rest and sleep, keep yourself warm, drink plenty of liquids, and use a room humidifier, and or take a hot shower to help ease a sore throat and cough.
If you develop a fever, cough, and have difficulties in breathing, promptly seek medical care. Call in advance and tell your health provider of any recent travel or recent contact with travelers. It is better to consult a doctor before going to self-treatment.
The virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person. The best way to prevent illness is to avoid being exposed to this virus.
Stay at home and stay safe.